water, 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and some mixing stuff. So you're going to need a non-metallic bowl. That is so important. So first you're going to mix the yeast in the water. Mix it up really well. And then you're going to sprinkle some sugar on top of that yeast. Sprinkle some sugar on there. You don't have to mix it in. And then you're going to transfer your flour to a bowl. Get all that flour in there. And then you're going to take your yeast mixture and you are going to add it to that flour. And then you're going to mix it all up. I use my hands because I like to feel for lumps. You can use a plastic spoon or you can use a spatula if you don't like to get messy. And of course, I promise you I wash my hands first, as you should too. And then we're going to cover that with a towel and we're going to leave it on a counter for 4 to 5 days. Our monster is ready to feed. See how it's separated there on the side? Now we're going to measure out, we're going to take out 1 cup. There should be about 2 cups of dough. Take up about 1 cup of that dough and give that cup to a friend. Now to the dough that's left in your bowl, add a cup of water, a cup of flour, and a pinch of sugar. Transfer it to a glass container and cover it to rest on the counter for about 4 hours. And when you see it looking bubbly like this, that means it's ready to use. So you can either refrigerate it and feed it every 10 days, but when you do use a cup of your monster dough, you're going to feed your monster every single time, and you're going to feed it with 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, and a pinch of sugar each and every single time you use it.